Kellie Pickler's Nashville home is the center of a tragic crime scene, as a man has shot and killed himself on the property. A rep for the Nashville Police Department tells us they got a call to Pickler's home Friday afternoon for an apparent suicide after a male shot himself. The Nashville Police Department has announced Kellie's husband, Kyle Jacobs, is the man dead by suicide at the couple's Nashville home. He shot himself in an upstairs bedroom/office inside the home. Cops say Kellie was asleep, but woke a short time before the incident. When she did not see Kyle, she began looking for him. When she and an assistant were unable to open the upstairs bedroom door, they called 911. Kellie and Kyle got married back in 2011, and both starred on I Love Kellie Pickler for 3 seasons starting back in 2015. Kyle worked as a country music songwriter, with credits tied to stars including Tim McGraw, Kelly Clarkson, Darius Rucker, Garth Brooks and others.